All right, this is polling in computer science, not in politics.
No.
What is polling? Polling is a protocol in which a software hardware, such as the CPU, steadily yet continuously checks whether a second device or program needs attention. Simply, it's when one program, process, or similar is waiting on another. Polling is the opposite of interrupts because in interrupts, the processor is simply disturbed once any device interrupts it. On the opposite hand, in polling, the processor uses countless processor cycles by repeatedly checking the status of the device. The functions of polling. Polling can be used both at high levels and low levels. At higher levels, polling may be used when one server is sending a web request to another to see if a change has been made, with a price or something similar. At lower levels, a device may poll the status of a physical wire, looking for a change in voltage, or looking for the availability of a printer to see if it is ready to accept data. The importance of polling. Polling can be employed in various computing contexts in order to control the execution or transmission sequence of the elements involved. For example, in multitasking operating systems, polling can be used to allocate processor time and other resources to the various competing processes. In networks, polling is used to determine which nodes want to access the network. It is also used by routing protocols to retrieve routing information. Advantages and disadvantages of polling. Uh, Polling leads to maximum efficiency and bandwidth utilization and can allow you to pinpoint the time of connection or disconnection of a device. However, time is wasted during polling, and it can waste memory because it must constantly send a signal.